Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today I'll be learning how to view credit balance on Temu app, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your credit balance on your Temu app, first open up your Temu application on your phone. And after opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of options. We will be required first verify ourselves with the security verification. Let's verify ourselves. You'll be also required to verify on this level, guys. And after verifying yourself, guys, let's tap on the U button at the bottom middle of the screen. And on this interface you can see this option where it says credit balance. Tap on the credit balance option over here just above the addresses, and all of your credit balance available on your Temu app will be shown over here. But guys, if you don't find your credit balance over here, you might be logged into another account on which your credit balance is not available. To make sure that you're logged into your current account, you can also sign into a different account from over here if you think your account is incorrect. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to view your credit balance on Temu app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.